This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and visible problems. Open the case and check the LED, then plug in a known good lightning cable. Once done, remove debris from the lightning port and around the hinge using a soft brush and a toothpick carefully to avoid scratching. Make sure to ground yourself and work on a clean surface to prevent static or lost parts. If the hinge is stiff, lightly flex the lid to feel where resistance occurs, so your next steps target the exact issue. Now focus on restoring electrical and mechanical function. Dip a cotton swab in 70% plus isopropyl and clean the charging contacts inside the case and on each AirPod, making sure no pools of liquid remain. Then address mechanical sticking. Gently pry debris from the hinge, and if required, apply a tiny amount of electronic-safe lubricant to the pivot. Wipe away excess. Reseat each AirPod and close the lid to confirm proper magnet engagement. Finish by executing electrical resets and validation. With the case charged, press and hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This resets pairing and sometimes resolves firmware glitches. Make sure to test charging using a different cable and charger to isolate accessory faults. Observe LED states during charge. If the case still fails to charge, the internal battery or charging circuitry may be faulty, and you should contact Apple or seek a professional repair or replacement to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.